In this video, I am going to show you how to quickly create an ebook with Canva. Creating an impressive ebook doesn't have to be daunting, especially with the tools like Canva at your disposal. Follow this condensed guide to design your engaging ebook effortlessly. 1. Choose a template to start fresh. Open Canva, search for ebook in the template search bar, and pick one that resonates with your content. Alternatively, start with a blank canvas by selecting A4 or US letter size. 2. Customize your template. Click on any text box to edit the new text menu from the new headings or paragraphs. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors. Add images or elements from the Elements menu. Use frames for creative image displays. Upload your images or use Canva's library. 3. Click on the plus icon near an existing page to add a page button at the bottom. Canva allows up to 100 pages per ebook. Use the option beside each page thumbnail to duplicate, rearrange, or remove pages. For new pages, insert pre-made layouts from the template menu by searching ebook and selecting a layout that fits your needs. You can also manually add page numbers by placing text boxes where needed and typing in the numbers. After you do all of that, preview your ebook in full screen mode to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied, download your ebook in PDF format and voila! This streamlined process allows you to create a visually appealing ebook in Canva without getting overwhelmed by details. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.